Morning everybody. Just a bit run round some bits on Jensen, to be honest, because a few bits and pieces, a few points I want to make cover. I mean, go down to this car. I mean, you obviously seen carpets, stuff like that. Mats are now off to be edged. They're up at upholsterers. Some stuff's come from upholsterers. I mean, this is an original Jensen gator. It needs locking into the body there. Then it comes through this unit here. Upholsterers also made this gator for me, so that's obviously onto here. Then when it comes through here, we've got a nice neat job. You know, these mirrors, they actually are off a late series 2 XJ6 or 12, I can't remember which they come off. They're adjustable. You know, they're not oysters, they're not early XJ6s, early XJ6, all that. They're what later ones that Jaguar went on to and stuff. So obviously they'll just pop an hole in there, and then we'll put a nice neat thing when I make these door cards, open bits and pieces, and then everything's right. I mean, the point I'm trying to get over to you really is, what's done on this car is done professionally and done properly. You know, even bottom in boots, everything's painted. So when mats in under boots are wiped down, everything's dealt with. You can look down here under the sill, and under the sill there's Lanigard dripping out at drains. And so what we've got something done right. I mean, well, but there's boot mat. There's this boot mat, and it's all stitched up on edges now. So it's not just a bit of stuff, bit of boot material cut, it's actually edged up properly. We'll go up onto the seats, even down to cups on back at seats that old backrest on, you know, headrests are done properly. Come round, we'll get a look at front of them. So now I've got cards to do. That's one of them. And that's material for me to do cards. That's the other one. I mean, material chosen. I mean, they did have a slightly different material here, did Jensen, when they did them, but it's not available. So you're never going to match it. So I says to him, let's go for this traditional material, which has got a lovely wide graining on it, you know, lovely wide. It's lovely. It's a vinyl, but it's proper, and it suits the car. I mean, this is roof's in now for a full clean up, the fixed roof. So I've eased these off. These bags are under here just to catch lubricant while they ease off. I mean, we've got an heated rear screen. We've obviously got the wires for it. They're in the boat, and everything's right. But point I'm getting over is all this, everything about it, and everything just done to a level of quality is all going to help this car to be a realistic car when it's completed. It's going to keep it right. It's going to, obviously, engine's rebuilt, so it'll be reliable. You know, I mean, there can be a bit of working carburetors on them, but you can get over that. Right, the hardtop's going to be fixed up now with a rail. Then the screen can go in. Got a little piece to rectify here in dash, but every little bit of effort that car's needed has been done. And it's a point I've got over with client, it's a point that client respects. I mean, even down to radio, it's a Motorola that's now a Bluetooth. So it can have like modern day music and everything. And job's right. We've got the speakers, we've got everything. But as I said earlier, wherever you go, it's oozing I've been done right. It's oozing somebody's put effort in. And at top and bottom of it, it's been like, it's proper craftsmanship, which is how things should be. But it's something that's sadly disappearing. But you're going to have pleasure of being able to see it restaurate. So, just a bit of a flash of a video. I mean, if you like it, give us a like. If you want to subscribe to my channel, because whatever does come out of this place, no matter whatever it is, comes out to this level of quality. And if you want to pass a comment, what I'm up to, it can be something as silly as I was thinking of putting so and so mirrors on mine. I'll also give you a bit of advice. So, take care everybody. And there's a look round at a little bit more quality, going into a quality restoration. Thanks ever so much. And bye for now.